who's a singer, who's this demigod, and he had a message for you, जो उसने आज Instagram पे डाला है, and it's beautiful because he says, शरारत भरी आंखों में लाखों थे सपने, जब छूटे अपने तो लाखों बने अपने, तेरा फितूर हद से पार जाता रहता है, हर साल पहले से ज़्यादा तुझ पे प्यार आता है. You probably did not have the time to look at all the messages.
पर इसमें को ना इस शायरी में सिर्फ एक ही प्रॉब्लम है बादशाह से. उसके अंदर बीच में उसने बोला नहीं बादशाह बादशाह. I'll call him and I'll tell him.
It's your boy Badsha. Alright, okay. Next question is coming in from this side. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Shahrukh. I'm Beate from Austria.
Say your name again, darling.
Beate.
Beate.
Yeah.
Okay. हम प्यार से बोलते हैं तेरे को बस. प्यार से.
Yes, I love you.
Thank you. Where in Austria?
Near Vienna.
Okay.
Yeah. And my question is, which is your favorite Italian dish, and do you know how to make it?
I'm not much of a foodie. So yeah, it's pasta. So I forget now what it is called. I like the white pasta. But I'm learning now because my thing is I should know 10 dishes to make. From क्या बोलते हैं शुरू में जो देते हैं खाना
Appetizers.
starter से लेके
Alio olio.
आलियो ओलियो starter से लेकर dessert तक. So I'm just learning, but I think pasta is what I like, and I'm sorry if people are vegetarian here, but I like every chicken dish, so I'm trying to learn some Italian chicken dish.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, प्यारी.
Alright, and I'm sure कि एक एक करके सबके सवाल जो आएंगे. So we've got our people in the audience, right? And we've got Vidhi. Vidhi is going to tell me where the question is coming from. Yes, we'll start with the lady there.
हाँ मुझे यार अपना नाम भी बता देना please when you say it so then I can address you properly.
Hi.
Hi.
My name is Zuili Desai. Zuili Desai.
Julie.
Yeah, you called me Julie Desai once, so I'm fine with Julie Desai
Okay,
also.
no, you're Zuili.
Zuili Desai.
Zuili Desai.
Yeah, my question was, how do you manage to balance your social and personal life so well?
Actually, my personal life is very simple. I just go home and spend time with Gauri and my kids. And I'm actually, in personal life, I'm very boring. I just go home and that's it. So whenever I'm not working out, which is in terms of going for shooting, then I'm just at home and I'm little unsocial. So I go to parties where I'm supposed to go. But I'd rather just sit at home and eat some chips, have some colas, watch some stuff on television or whatever, and read some books. So it gets balanced itself. For 26 years I've been working for 12 hours a day or 15 hours a day, and I've made it up now. Whole year I've been just sitting at home and being personal with my children and my wife and my sister. Thank you.
वो तो signature होगा ना, I love you. Okay, Vidhi, next one, the gentleman there. Yes, sir. अपना नाम बता दीजिएगा.
Good evening, sir. Very happy birthday. I am Tino from Mumbai.
Tino.
Yes.
Thank you, Tino.
My question is, when you started out, what was in your mind? Did you know what acting was your thing? Was there any fear of failing in it and having nothing to rely to survive?
Actually, Tino, I was fortunate also, very unfortunate also, because when I came to Mumbai to work, I had lost everything in my life. So, my parents, and it was very sad. We had no money. I only had a sister who was rather unwell at that time. And I just gotten married. I had no house. So I could not think anything can be worse than this. So, जो भी होगा मुझे लगा अच्छा ही होगा. So in a strange way, the negativity in my life made me feel इससे नीचे तो नहीं हो सकती जिंदगी, तो अच्छा ही होगा. So everything was very positive. So I never thought कि अभी क्या मैं खो दूंगा. So whatever I got, whether it was so I just went into work and I said ये अच्छा ही है सब. So if I didn't have a house, if I, there were friends who helped me. There was Juhi, there was Aziz, there was Rajiv Mehra. उन लोगों ने अपने घर दे दिए मुझको, किसी ने कम किराए पे, विवेक वासवानी. They were all very kind to me and they just looked after me. And I think I was just happy I had somebody to look after me and everything seemed very good here. So I never had a problem कि, और अभी भी मैं वैसा ही हूँ. मुझे ऐसा लगता नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि मैंने there's nothing to lose ever. I don't think, I always tell people that losing is not an option. And why losing is not an option is not because we think मैं pompous नहीं हो रहा कि मैं कभी हारूंगा नहीं. But losing is not an option because you can never lose. And genuinely I mean that. In life things do become all right. They may not seem so. They may take a little while. But I think things become all right only. और हम लोग जो है actually हम लोग की habit है लोगों की कि जो चीज़ कभी-कभी अच्छी भी हो रही होती है और तो हम कोई उसमें negative चीज़ ढूंढ कर यार लेकिन वो नहीं हुआ, अबे यार वैसा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. So we keep thinking about negative things. So doubt should be removed from your head and you should enjoy every moment. Like for me, there is nothing more important. It's my birthday, I have my children, my family waiting for me. But nothing is more important than being here and being happy with you. As soon as, and honestly, you should just enjoy this moment and then I'll be in my car, then I'll be with my family and nothing will be more important than that. So please try and live moment to moment. Be happy, don't think long term. किसी को फ्यूचर भी नहीं पता है और पास्ट कभी भी परेशान नहीं करेगा. So just being positive and be happy.
Just एक छोटी सी चीज इत्तेफाक है, उसने जो सवाल पूछा है that you lost your loved ones, you also mentioned. Next question. Yes sir.
Hello sir, I'm Yash from Mumbai.
Yash.
First of all, a very happy birthday to you.
Yash, no? Thank you, Yash.
And my question is, do you believe in birthday resolutions? And if yes, what is your birthday resolution this year?
Birthday just to make a lot of films here. But I'll, inshallah, I don't believe in resolutions. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बस सोच लो और फिर कर लो. तो मैं genuinely जो है ऐसा फील कर रहा हूँ कि मुझे बहुत सारी जल्दी फिल्में बनानी चाहिए. ऐसा सोच तो रहा हूँ मैं, लेकिन शायद ना भी हो, जल्दी नहीं बने, आराम से बने. बट मैं अच्छी फिल्में बनाऊँगा. I also want to spend a little more time with my little one because फिर वो बड़े हो जाते हैं ना यार, फिर वो अपना काम करने लग जाते हैं तो मिलते नहीं हैं. You'll realize when you have children. About at 10 they become different. So I just want to spend max another couple of years with him as much as I can. But resolution wise, just to be healthier, because I was watching this AV that Manav had made, Aryan's friend. Thank you Manav. He had made this with the help of Karuna and the whole team. And I just, when I see myself, कि मैं इतनी energy से काम कर रहा हूँ, so I always think, how can I outdo this? How can I do better than this? How can I feel better than this? So the resolution is to be so healthy and feel so good that whatever I did in these last 25-30 years, I can do it with double the energy and happiness. That's the resolution.
Next question. Yes, there's a lady there. Where? There, at the back. Wow, right at the back.
Hi Shahrukh sir, this is Rakshit from SRK Chennai FC. First of all, I wish you a very happy birthday.
Thank you, Rakshit.
3 cheers for Shahrukh Khan for his birthday. Sir, I have a question. Sir, my question is, how do you miss your mom and dad now? And do you share your stories, whatever you have spent with your mom and dad, with Abraham and your children?
Actually, yeah, they're so long gone. Even I don't remember most of the stories. So Aryan, I remember Aryan and Suhana, when they were growing up, they would tell them stories about my parents. Ki, how was my father? Because actually, I'll be very honest, and I want to thank people amongst you. I don't even have too many pictures of my parents except the one that you people only posted back to me, and so no. I don't tell them stories. It's so long ago. I don't even actually 1981 my father died here. So that's 91, 2001, 2011, 35 years ago. So no, I don't share too many of the stories because I think for my children, my parents have been kind of how do you say, mixed with Gauri's parents. तो उनको लगता है कि जो नाना और नानी होते हैं, वही दादा और दादी भी होते हैं. So I think they grew up like that. Not much. I don't.
Thank you so much, sir. Love you, sir.
Thank you, Rakshit.
Thank you, Rakshit. There's a question. हमने ना zones में सबको decide करके बताया है कि कहाँ से सवाल आ रहा है. So now there is a question that is coming from that particular zone itself. Yes, sir. Sir, अपना नाम बता दीजिएगा.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, sir. This is Rahul.
Hi, Rahul. नाम भी सुना मैंने.
Happy birthday, sir.
Thank you, Rahul. Bless you. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much.
Sorry, sir, ये थोड़ा अजीब नहीं है आपको किसी को राहुल एड्रेस करते हो. Like when you were talking to a Rahul,
It is little odd.
थोड़ा और है ना?
हाँ, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है इसकी मम्मी डैडी ने मेरा नाम कॉपी कर लिया.
Alright, Rahul, what's the question, man?
Sir, we all love your interviews, sir.
Thank you.
So we would like to know that how do you maintain such calm attitude and positivity all the time?
You see, Rahul, when Bhagwan, Allah, God, whichever supreme power we all believe in, I think one, they're all the same. But I think when that supreme power gives you this kind of love, there is no negativity that can come in your mind. You know, I notice celebrities sometimes reacting to things because now we can. There's a social media, and then there's obviously wonderful media where we can do interviews and chat with people, talk about what we felt. So to me, I just feel sometimes when they also react angrily at something. अगर किसी ने कह दिया कि ये सही नहीं था शाहरुख का या उसका शाहरुख का ये सही था, I don't think I need to react to it because every time I think that there are a million bad things being said about me, I know to counter them there are a billion good things being felt about me. So, I don't think I will ever lose a race. If there was a race of bad things, and when I say bad things, they could be true also. I must have done some wrong things. I may have, been in wrong places, behaved badly, whatever. But I will never lose a race over what people think is bad about me compared to what people think and the amount of good and love they give me. So मैं हमेशा जो है आपकी वजह से जीतता ही रहता हूँ. So मुझको ये सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती कि यार ये negative बोलूँ. So whenever people are interviewing me, even when they ask me about some controversy or negativity, I just joke about it because it means nothing to me, because actually it means nothing to you all, and you mean the most to me. So if you mean the most to me, that is going to be helpful.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
सर अभी तक जो सवाल आए हैं, किसके सवाल ने आपको सबसे ज़्यादा सोचने में मजबूर किया और you had to like really like delve deep and say, okay, so this is a good question. अभी तक जो सवाल आए हैं.
मुझे तो अभी तक अभी चूज करना जरूरी है, अभी करना मुझे.
आपके ऊपर है, आपका बर्थडे.
एक तो ना ये ना बहुत गलत बात है कि आप लोग ना सिर्फ 3 कुछ इनाम दे रहे हो बेस्ट सवालों को वाले हैं. ये तो सबको या तो मिलना चाहिए या सारे के सारे मुझको मिलना चाहिए.
मैंने बोला था एक मैं ले जाता हूँ, एक आपका बर्थडे है, एक करना रख लेंगे. ओके हमने चलो 3 के 5 कर दिए.
चलो 5 हो गए तो
5 कर दिए.
अभी तक पूरे के पूरे 5 सवाल मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे.
Okay, we'll choose this at the end. There's a question that is coming in from there.
Hello.
कहाँ है आप? जो सवाल पूछ रहा है वो खड़े रहे, बाकी सब बैठ जाए प्लीज.
हाँ देखिए.
Namaskar, Charlie.
उधर.
नमस्कार, कैसे हो आप?
I'm Raghuveer from Delhi SRK University.
Ramuvi.
Yes.
Thank you Ramuvi for coming all the way from Delhi. God bless you.
सबसे पहले सर मैं आपको एक प्यारा सा मैसेज सुनाना चाहता हूँ.
जी.
मेरे 7 साल के बेटे की तरफ से. उसका नाम अर्जुन है.
Okay.
उसने कल रात 12 बजे ये आपके लिए भेजा था.
पापा शाहरुख ताऊ जी को मेरी तरफ से हैप्पी बर्थडे कह देना. पापा शाहरुख ताऊ जी को मेरी तरफ से हैप्पी बर्थडे कह देना. हैप्पी बर्थडे शाहरुख ताऊ जी, आई लव यू.
तो ऐसा अभी अगर मैं ताया हो गया तो वो क्या भतीजा क्या था?
भतीजा. यस सर.
भतीजा. तो
अर्जुन.
अर्जुन. हाँ तो तुम भी मेरे भतीजे अर्जुन को थैंक यू बोल देना.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू.
और मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि अर्जुन जो है रात को 12 बजे जागता रहता है.
सिर्फ आपके लिए. सिर्फ आपके लिए सर. तो सर मेरा क्वेश्चन है आपसे. हाउ डू यू मैनेज योर पावरफुल सुपरस्टारडम, योर प्रोफेशनल एंड पर्सनल लाइफ एंड योर क्रेजी फैंस? From where you get so much energy?
You know, like I said here, I don't have to manage anything. I just have to get up in the morning and work. People don't believe it. People think I say it with modesty or goodness, but I really don't feel that I do anything special. And genuinely, for the last 15 years, when I see other actors, actresses, other films, I find all of them better than me. And I just feel, okay, I should wake up in the morning. No, but I genuinely do. I really believe. See, I'll tell you, there is a saying. Okay, there is a saying. When people give you a lot of love, you become really great. And sometimes you become great enough to be humble. I think that is real greatness. And I think I've reached that level. And the humility is not because of the achievement. The humility is because I understand how much you invest in me as people, as boys, girls, parents, children. For this example, your son, little 7-year-old, I think, by the time he's 17, for a young kid who was not even in this world 7 years ago, to know me, because of you, it's something that you are passing on my legacy not only to my children, but other children also. So God has been very kind, you've been very kind, and I don't have to do anything. मेरी तुम लोगों ने फ्यूचर इन्वेस्टमेंट इतनी अच्छी कर दी है, मुझे कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं।
Okay, एक सवाल यहाँ से आ रहा है अभी।
Hi Shahrukh.
जी।
Happy birthday. Here, Deepak.
इधर।
Hi Deepak.
वैदा से।
हाँ Deepak.
Sir, I'm from Bangalore and
Where in Bangalore?
From Yeshwanthpur.
Okay, you know now my family lives in Bangalore. Yeah?
So I wanted to ask, sir, on behalf of all the fans from Bangalore, from SRK Fans Association Bangalore, we are waiting every single day. Like, when will Shahrukh sir come to Bangalore? When will we get to see him in Bangalore? So I wanted to ask, sir, when will you come to Bangalore, sir?
I'll come very soon here because जो हमारा वहाँ फैमिली का घर है ना, उसको मैं भी रिपेयर करवाना चाह रहा हूँ इंशाल्लाह. So it's a small house. फिर मैं I was just telling my wife and I said, we should go there, and so inshallah I'll come very fast. And when I'm coming, then I will announce it to everybody so that I can get photographed with my airport look. And then quickly I'll go to my gym and announce again so that I'm photographed in my gym look. And then I will be in Bangalore and announce it to you, through you only, so they can take my Bangalore. Thank you.
We'll also be there when we beat RCB. When we beat RCB. Sorry guys, sorry. We beat them both times, right? Okay. Next question is coming from this gentleman. Yes, sir.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಶಾರುಖ್ ಖಾನ್, ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Thank you.
शाहरुख जी सर, आप जब भी आपका मौका मिलता है बैंगलोर आने का, तो कुछ वक्त अपना बैंगलोर एसोसिएशन के साथ वक्त बिताने में अपने को मौका मिलेगा क्या?
Actually, that's what I should do. I should tell Karuna and everybody that every year when we get together like this, maybe we should do it in different cities. So I can fly out there and then, I can meet everybody from there, inshallah. So, but if I come there for some work, I'll 100% look you up and then we can meet for some time and chat, for sure.
शाहरुख जी, एक बार मेरा नाम बोलिए प्लीज. गुरु.
तूने वो अपना नाम बोलने के बाद इतना सारा कंडू पंडू किया था, मेरे को याद नहीं समझा नहीं क्या बोला था तूने.
मेरा नाम गुरु सर.
नहीं, उसके बाद क्या बोला था तूने?
मैं कन्नड़ा में आपको विश किया था.
हाँ बोल, मैं भी बोलता हूँ फिर.
ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. Thank you, Guru. Thank you for coming here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
इससे ज़्यादा नेशनल इंटीग्रिटी नहीं हो सकती. वो पीछे से ऐसे कर रहा है.
Hi, Shahrukh sir.
Where is this question
Wishing
coming?
you very happy birthday.
There.
I'm Anshul Gupta from New Delhi.
Hi Anshul, how are you?
I'm good, sir. I'm really happy to see you, sir.
Thank you. I'm very happy to see you also, Anshul.
I come every year Mumbai, and I'm sorry I'm not from media. I'm not from any fan group, but बहुत बड़ा fan हूँ आपका, sir. Register नहीं कर पाया कहीं अपने आप को, but I just managed to come here every year.
Thank you, Anshul.
And
हम बहुत खुश हैं कि आप यहाँ पर आए.
thank you so much.
And you actually don't need to be registered or from the media. As many people come, like I said, inshallah we'll make a bigger hall next time, so all of us who love each other can get
Thank you so
together.
much, sir. And एक बात मैं बोलना चाहूँगा, sir. Like अभी आप दिल्ली विजिट पे थे, like you were in Panjshir, got to know about that. So although I tried to meet you there, but like I was badly ill. I'm not saying I could have reached you easily, but obviously time लगता है, मुश्किल होती है. And I sometimes, I'm sorry I'm using this word, maybe make you feel emotional or something. I also used to visit Brave, which is जो टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया की बैक साइड में मैं जानता हूँ सर, मैं जाता रहता हूँ वहाँ पे, और लाइक नॉट विद द होप ऑफ कि आप मुझे मिलेंगे, बट आई ऑल्सो फील कनेक्टेड विद योर पेरेंट्स एंड आई जस्ट टेक फ्लावर्स एंड गो देयर ऑन देयर ग्रेव्स. सो नॉट सेइंग कि उस तरह से मैं बताने के लिए, बट लाइक आई ऑल्सो फील लाइक इट वाज like my family also.
No, it's very kind of you because I only get few opportunities to go there. So आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आप मेरे माँ बाप का ख्याल रख रहे हो. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, हमारे पास वक्त है एक और सवाल का. एक सवाल और ऑलरेडी माइक उन तक पहुंच चुका है. बाकी सब बैठ जाए. फोटो चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए? है ना? सवाल पूछना है या फोटो चाहिए? दोनों. किसी को मुकम्मल जहां नहीं मिलता. Okay, so there's a question coming in from there. Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. I am Mannan from SRK University, Mumbai. First of all, wish you a very happy birthday. And
You'll say your name again, Mannan.
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 Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mannan.
So my question for you is, are you happy with your legacy as a king of romance? Or would you like to add some more variety to your legacy with more varied characters?
I would like to hear. I always thought, Manan, that I'll because from being from theatre, because I read a lot, I think a lot, I can create some interesting characters. So the hope is that only. Sometimes जब मैं नया कैरेक्टर करता हूँ फिर लोग को इतना पसंद नहीं आता है तो दुख होता है कि you're trying to get that balance where people enjoy the film, get entertained also, and if I can engage you with a new character, I think I have enough in me to be able to do a few other good characters. And I don't mean that the ones I've done are not nice. Like I enjoyed Dawn, I enjoyed Chak De, I enjoyed My Name Is Khan. But क्योंकि मैं commercial cinema में हूँ तो ज़्यादा लोग वैसा offer नहीं करते मुझको. And one of the reasons I took a year off is if I can get this marriage to happen, where I do commercial films where song, dancing and they're decent and dignified films, and if I can make the hero have a different kind of a character instead of it being in only an artistic film, it is a commercial film with a hero. I don't like the hero type. जब मैं शुरुआत किया था film industry में, so the first interview I think I gave was that I've come here to play character roles. And then मेरे जो दोस्त थे विवेक वासवानी और मेरे जो प्रोड्यूसर थे बहुत खफा हो गए थे मुझसे. अरे तुम कैरेक्टर रोल नहीं, तुम तो हीरो के रोल करने के लिए आए हो. बट मेरा आइडिया ये है कि हीरो के रोल के अंदर इफ आई कैन ऐड अ न्यू डायमेंशन टू द कैरेक्टर. अदरवाइज मुझको ऐसा लगता है कि ऑल यू यंग बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स जो फिल्मों में काम कर रहे हैं, थिएटर में कर रहे हैं, क्रिएटिव फील्ड में हैं, आई थिंक यू विल नॉट हैव इनफ एट योर डिस्पोजल to learn from filmmakers like me and so many other wonderful actors and actresses. अगर हम कुछ नया नहीं करेंगे तो नए की खोज में कभी कभी मिसस्टेप हो जाता है. But I don't think I will ever get how do I say disappointed so much that I won't try it. So inshallah in the coming 7-8 years. और फिर मेरा जो बड़ा बेटा है आर्यन, तो उसने मुझे पिछले साल एक बात कही बहुत खूबसूरत सी. तो उसने कहा हम जब बड़े हुए तो हमने कुछ होता देखा, बाजीगर देखा, बिकॉज वी वर बॉर्न 4-5 years आफ्टर दोस फिल्म्स. इसे बट अब्राम के पास कोई ऐसा अच्छा कैरेक्टर और कमर्शियल फिल्म नहीं जिसको देखकर वो माने कि उसका बाप इतना बड़ा स्टार है. सो अगले 3-4 साल के अंदर आप एक ऐसी कमाल की फिल्म बना लेना. सो अब्राम ऑल्सो नोज why so many people love him. So yeah, I'll work very hard to make sure I do some new characters.
Okay, so those were the number of questions. लेकिन अब we have one more gift for you guys. But उससे पहले, sir, he said कि मिलने का मौका नहीं मिला. मुझे एक साल लगा आपसे वापस मिलने में. Last time also it was your birthday. But one thing that I know is that जो यहाँ पे मैंने सोच रखा अगर आप वो करेंगे तो I think these people are going to go. पूरा अपना दिल जो है ना उनको जो सुकून मिलेगा. So कुछ म्यूजिक बजने वाला है, ठीक है? आप ऑटोमेटिकली समझ जाएंगे बिकॉज आई नो यू वन ऑफ द स्मार्टेस्ट पीपल दैट आई मेट. आप ऑटोमेटिकली समझ जाएंगे कि इस पे आपको क्या करना है. बैकग्राउंड में म्यूजिक, and then you will see the magic of Shah Rukh Khan. Can we play? Shh, dude, अगर ये रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया तो बाद में कोसोगे अपने आप को. Can we play the first track? एक मिनट और लगेगा. ओके, 1 मिनट लगेगा उनको से सेट करने में. लेकिन हमारे पास अब वो जो 5 गिफ्ट्स हैं, वो ये जो सारे सवाल वाले थे, इनमें से आपको कौन सा सवाल पसंद आया अगर आप बता दें. मुश्किल है वैसे. All of them are really good, but it's the tough choice now.
While we are waiting, if you want to ask something, कुछ पूछना है आपको? उसको mic.
जी.
It's give him a mic, man.
आप प्राइवेट जेट कब ला रहे हो? प्राइवेट जेट, पर्सनल प्राइवेट जेट आपका खुद का प्राइवेट जेट कब ला रहे हो?
तू बेच रहा है? बेचेगा मैं नहीं.
सर वो ले आओ सर प्लीज, प्राइवेट जेट ले आओ सर आपका प्लीज.
तू मुझे बता, तू क्या काम करता है? तेरे पास बेचने को है तो ले लेता हूँ. तू पायलट है तो तेरे को जॉब दे दूंगा. तू स्टूडेंट है तो मैं जॉब दे दूंगा. तो जो बोलेगा.
सर वो सूरत से, उसके पास 2-3 डायमंड तो जेब में ऐसे रखे होंगे.
सूरत से तू? फिर तो यार इंशाल्लाह दुआ कर.
ओके. सो वो कौन, एक सेकंड प्लीज, एक सेकंड. जिन्होंने सवाल पूछे थे वो जरा खड़े हो जाए. जिन्होंने सवाल पूछे थे
उसको देते, बहुत उछल रहा है यार. उसको देते ना माइक.
और ये
हाँ, वाइट टी शर्ट में ना.
व्हाइट टी शर्ट. हाँ ओके. हाँ इनको माइक दे दो यार.
माइक दे दे इसको. कितना उछल रहा है.
Hello, happy birthday sir. I'm here sir.
हाँ.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I am Zain from Team Shah Rukh Khan fan club. सर एक रिसेंटली इंसिडेंट हुआ था, उसके बारे में पूछना चाहूँगा आपसे.
हाँ.
सर ऐश्वर्या मैम के मैनेजर के साथ जो इंसिडेंट था वो सही था, उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
यार क्या है ये सब जो ना बड़ी पर्सनल सी चीज़ें हैं. फिर हम कुछ बात करते हैं तो उसकी बात की बात बनती है. The goodness is the fact that whoever got hurt is all right. And उससे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट कुछ चीज़ नहीं है.
सर आपको
एक सवाल. So there's some gorgeous girls who performed on stage. They're from Indonesia. There. So okay. One question from the girls there. Maybe.
वो उसके पास माइक है. बोल दे. Say it.
Sorry. I just would like to say something very short.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm sorry. Please, thank you so much. We are both from Turkey. We are
Thank you. Coming all the way from Turkey, mashallah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Istanbul and Antalya. First of all, I would like to say a small story about Indian people and to you. Thank you so much also for the Chennai FC team for being here. Thank you guys, so appreciate it. Do you? Okay, little story. 2015, while you were coming back from the Dilwale film, you landed connect flight via Istanbul. There was little ladies were waiting for you outside, and this is one of them in here.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Then the story is coming. She just landed the India 5 years ago without knowing each word in English just to see you. When she reached her aim, then she became the admin fan club page of the Turkey, and since 5 years always has been visiting to you. I come with her for the first time. But to sum up, her Indian love and your love become her business. At the moment she is buying products from India to selling in Turkey, and we are making outgoing trip to India with her. And that India, that's why become so loud. And she is just kindly asking to you, well, when are you going to come to Turkey? Because there are too many fans waiting for you.
Yes,
Thank you so much for all of it.
Thank you very much, and I wish your business all goodness. And
guys,
I hope inshallah your business does well. And yeah, Alkam, I always wanted to make a film in Istanbul because I think it's very interesting to shoot there. So if I get an opportunity, And meanwhile, thank you for doing business from India. Keep on flourishing. And बाकी लोग भी ज्वाइन कर लो इनके साथ, बिजनेस में पैसा हो जाएगा. फिर गुजरात जाके हम एक जेट ले लेंगे. फिर अलग-अलग सिटीज में, अलग-अलग फैन क्लब्स में उसी प्लेन में जाया करेंगे. So thank you for starting this for us. Thank you.
Okay, one last question from the girls from Indonesia. Yes, ma'am. One. Ji. Guys, एक सेकंड यार.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
वालेकुम सलाम रहमतुल्लाह वबरकातुहू.
Sir, my name is Jihan.
How are you, Jihan?
We are Rockstar Indonesia.
Thank you.
I don't have question for you. I just want you to know that this year our fans club will celebrate 17 years of our fans club.
Thank you very much, all you girls, Rookstars from Indonesia. God bless you. I keep reading you guys on the social media, and you
Thank you
people
so
are
much.
very beautiful, mashallah. And when I come there next time, I'll spend more time with you, and I really look forward to seeing you. Thank you for being here and dancing so well. I've been made to understand.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. I think sir, वो जो हम लोग प्लान कर रहे थे वो तैयार है. Guys, अब silence, अब शांति, because you don't want to miss this. Can we play track number 1? ये याद हो जाएगा.